In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Hostinger's auto-renewal feature for your subscription. This process is quite straightforward, but very important if you want to manage your expenses and have better control over your billing preferences. First, let's begin by navigating to your Hostinger account. Once you've logged in, you'll want to find the billing section. This is typically where all your subscription information is housed. Think of it as the hub for all your payment details. When you're in the billing section, you should see an option labeled Subscription. Go ahead and click on that. Accessing this area will lead you to the page that lists all the current plans and services you are subscribed to. Now, the next step involves selecting the specific subscription that you wish to modify. Depending on your account, you might have multiple services listed here, so make sure you're choosing the right one. After you've identified the correct subscription, locate the arrow button next to it. This button might be a small icon that you easily overlook, but it plays a crucial role in proceeding with the changes. Once you see it, go ahead and click it. This action should reveal more details about your chosen subscription, information like billing cycles, renewal dates, and most importantly, the auto-renewal settings. Moving on, you will then encounter the option to disable auto-renewal. At this point, it's important to pause and ensure that you fully understand the implications of this change. Disabling auto-renewal means that at the end of your current subscription period, your service will stop unless you manually renew it yourself. So make sure that this is indeed what you want to do, and you've taken note of when your subscription will end. When you're ready, click on Disable Auto-Renewal. To finalize this change, you'll need to confirm your decision, which is a standard security measure to ensure no accidental changes. You should see another prompt or button asking you to disable auto-renewal again. Clicking this will officially save your preference, effectively ensuring that you won't be automatically charged when your current subscription term is up. It's worth mentioning that after you complete these steps, you might want to receive a confirmation email reflecting that auto-renewal has been disabled. If for some reason you don't, it's always a good idea to double-check your subscription settings within the billing section to verify that everything is set as per your new preference. And that's it. You've successfully disabled auto-renewal for your Hostinger subscription. Feel free to revisit and adjust these settings anytime should your needs change in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.